This tutorial shows you how to work with rates and availability calendar. Log in to app.zeevou.com and select the calendar on the left menu. Then on the top right, select Rates and Availability Calendar, not Booking Calendar. Then, you can access the list of your properties, unit types, rate plans, and rates using the search box. You can also choose your desired city from the All City box. On the top left of the Rate and Availability page, if you click on the Date Picker, a window pop-up will appear that lets you jump to your preferred day, month, and year. In the first line, in front of the unit type name, you can see the availability of the unit type. If you hover over each cell, a window will appear to show its details. If the cell is blocked, its status would be Stop to Sell. If you double-click on the cell, you can view and edit those details. On the top right of the Rate and Availability page, if you click on the three dots, you can create a rate, promotion, blocked date or view blocked date list. You can switch your page to full screen by clicking on the icon next to the three dots. Subscribe our channel to watch more tutorials and start growing your business.